What I'm getting ready to show you right now, if you don't play this when you play a quartet drive, you're not playing quartet. I'm telling you, this is the most famous lick or lines that you'll hear every gospel quartet program. You're going to hear this. Somebody's going to play it. And the crazy thing is, it didn't even come from quartet. It actually came from Sugarfoot of the Ohio Players. He played it and we stole it. I like it better. Check it out. Here we go. I know you heard it before. I know you have. What we're doing is we're starting out on the 7th fret on the E string. Then on your B string on the 8th fret, you're playing a G. Okay? You got. Then you got that C sharp, the B, the G. So one more time. Okay, here we go. Then we're going to slide up to the B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. Okay? Okay, and then we're palm muting. I'm palm muting it because I'm playing the bass, the E. I'm letting the E ring out a little bit, okay? So you're hearing. You got that? Okay. See? Throwing that little extra in there. That C sharp, B, C sharp. And that's all it is to it. Now you're playing quartet.